Hi guys, it's Melody with Dreamin' of Bling. I'm back with another unboxing for Jesse James Beads. It is the August 2021 Magical Mystery Bead Box, one of my favorite times of the month. I actually got it last week, but it's back to college week at my work, so we are in full swing trying to get people what they need to get them in their dorms. So I haven't had a chance to do anything. So without further ado, let me pull around. Let me turn it this way so you can see it. The theme for this week is called, or this month, is called Autumn Woods. Loving all of those. You can see the Magical Mystery Bead Box. Autumn Woods, August 2021. I'm really excited because I've actually opened it because I was too excited, and you know me, I just get too excited and really like to just, you know, bead through it. So I didn't actually open it. So we'll see what's inside. I love the pictures they give out this month. So who's ready for fall bead strand? Let's grab that out so we can take a look. Who's ready for fall bead strand? And I am absolutely loving. Let me see if I can adjust my camera just a little bit. There we go. So we're not looking like we're falling over. I am loving the shapes, the textures, the colors of this month. And look at the little owl. Oh my gosh. Loving the colors, the shapes, the textures. I love this. Makes that bead look like a little acorn. Pull it back a little bit so I can. Oh, and this boho bead, I just love it. All the sparkle, all the color. It is just the epitome of fall. And I love this one. This one reminds me of a chiclet. Remember the little gum that used to get when you were a kid, or some of us did. But the spacers are adorable. I love this one. I really do. It's just, oh, and I love that one's really pretty. So that's the Who's Ready for Fall Bead Strand. I'm not going to cut it open the strand right yet because I'm not sure what I'm doing with it. So the next one is Falling Leaves Bead Set. And I think I did cut this one open. Yeah, this is the Falling Leaves Bead Set because I wanted to see what some of them were made of. So I am going to dump this one out. So this one is, we have a beautiful pendant there. I've already got ideas for this of what I want to do. A beaded necklace. And this looks like an acrylic leaf set. Loving those. Very abstract, very different. And that's pretty thick. They're lightweight, but they're pretty thick. And then we have some wood leaves. Really loving those. I love the different texture, the different metal colors. A couple maple leaves in gold. A couple smaller leaves. Little pendants, and then we've got some what looks like filigree leaves in like the antique brass color. Really like those. So I'm loving all of this. This is just really up my alley. I love fall, and all of those are very lightweight, very lightweight. So I can't wait to get to making stuff with that. And next on the list is Pumpkin Spice Seed Bead Mix. And I'm not going to open these because I tend to spill seed beads everywhere. But I'm loving the colors in this. The top one, now it looks more gold there. It is not. It's more of a, not a rose gold, but it almost has like an orangey gold so that it goes with that fall look. And then we've got this color, and these look really orange on the camera. but they're not. They're more of a pumpkin color, not orange, but more of a kind of soft pumpkin. And then we've got some of the antique bronze look, and then a nice golden color. So I do have some thoughts for those as well. And let's see what's next. Wood Fire Bead Strand. Oh, and I loved this one too. I love getting 2 strands. I just love it. And this is a really nice strand. So this one's called Wood Fire, and I'm just going to go through it. I'm not going to cut them open, that way I don't lose them. But I'm loving all the glam and glitz in these, and these crystals. Oh my word. And then they've got a spacer in here, and I think that's a stone spacer, but I'm not sure. But I'm loving the matte up against the... And we've got some little sprockets, or I call them sprockets because that's what they look like, little sprockets to me. You can tell my dad was a handyman. Everything was a sprocket or a screw or something. This is just absolutely gorgeous. So the next item is Red Cap Mushroom Amanita Musicaria Mix. And I'm pretty sure that's Spanish, and I'm pretty sure I just butchered how you say it. So this is this one. Turn it around so you can see what it looks like. Now that is more red than my camera is showing. My camera is showing a little orangey. And please pardon the AC, but it is still, here in Delaware, it is still very, very stinking hot. So, which is killing my asthma. And so here's some of the, and I'm going to dump this out because I really wanted to see this. I'm loving these. Oh my gosh. If that doesn't scream fall, I don't know what. And then we've got, let's see, we've got 2, 4, 6 of those, it looks like. I'm trying to think. Oh, there we go. We've got 4 of these beautiful faceted rondelles. Loving those. And then we've got some small red faceted. Loving those. Loving the sparkle with them. And they are more red with maybe like a little bit of a AB luster on them. Very beautiful. Got a couple of these. Oh, and these are already, oh wow. I could see a little pair of earrings with these. These are so adorable. And then we've got some frosted red beads. Loving the frosted red. And then some little tassels and some little frosted white looking ones, and some bead caps. And these are actually, oh my gosh, they are little beads in the shape of a leaf. How cute are they? Let me see if I can pull them back so that you can see the... Very cute. And then some nice square red beads. And these really, they're showing orange. They are not. These are a nice, deep, bright red. And then I think my favorite, we've got some like antique gold spacer bead, metal spacers. And I think my favorite is, I just love this little guy. Oh my gosh. So very cute. Little mushrooms. Turn around so you can see it the other way. So, so cute. Little mushroom pendant. I'm loving that. And it's not as orangey as it looks on my camera. It's really not. So let me scoop all this back into the little baggie so I don't lose anything. Get these all in here. Comment your favorite things that you see out of this one, because my favorite thing is that mushroom pendant and the bead strands. I just love the bead strands. But that's, you know, I love a Jesse James bead strand. So we'll get that back in there. Let's see, what have we got next? Mulled cider mini mix. That would be this. A nice mulled cider mini mix. I'm already seeing this, loving these colors. I'm going to dump these out so we can see and inspect these. Already loving, and I can't tell, I think these are little wood heishi beads. Loving the little wood heishis because they make great spacers. Already loving these frosted yellows. Loving those. Or more gold than yellow. Look at these big boys. Oh my gosh, look at the luster and the sparkle on those facets. Loving those. Oh, and here we go. Oh my gosh, and these are like a little fabric wrapped pumpkin looking or gourd. Oh my gosh, I love those. So cute. Then I'm loving the copper pearls, and they are like an orangey copper. Of course, we've got the sparkly gold beads there, and they're hollow. They don't have a bead inside or anything, but they're hollow. And then we've got some 4 matte faceted with a little bit of an AB luster on them, so they do give a little matted shine to it. Very pretty. Got a couple cage beads. Cage beads make nice earrings. A couple rondelles here. Some more heishis. So these are ceramic beads. And look how cute they are. When I opened up the box, I really knew, I already knew, I'm going to make probably a knotted necklace with these or a knotted bracelet. Loving these, because I love a nice, and the holes on the ceramic beads are a little bit larger, so it makes it very nice to get your several strands of your hemp cord or something. So I'm already thinking of a knotted necklace for these. So the next one we have is a moss and fern bead mix. So that's that right there, moss and fern. Dragging my bead mat with me. And if you like what you're seeing and you like my unboxings, I do plan to do some tutorials. I'm just waiting for work to calm down a little bit so I can get back into a routine. And then I can get back into a routine of what I do at home. So this is the moss and fern. So if you like what you're seeing, subscribe and hit that bell so that it goes off when I put in a new. Wow, I am really this did not do it justice in the package because these are absolutely gorgeous. I'm just doing a little sorting here. Oh my word. Look at these little acorns. These have a little weight to them, but they are so adorable. And then little teeny matching ones. Loving those. And then we've got some tassels, some green leather tassels. My granddaughter normally gets all my tassels because she likes making little bracelets and stuff with those. So if you're interested in subscribing to the Magical Mystery Bead Box, you can go to JJMMBAugust2021.com and go under subscriptions. I will get a link in the description below so that you'll know where to go, and you can click the link, and there's several different price ranges they have for it. I signed up for the 12-month, so mine comes to, with shipping, about $42. So, and it's well worth. It's the reason why I love Jessie James Beads is because you get good quality beads and a great amount of them. So let's dive into this one. We've got the frosted glass again. I'm loving the frosted glass beads here. Let me pull back because it's having trouble focusing. And it's in like a almost a moss, or not lime, but a cross between a moss and a lime. Very beautiful. And these, I believe, are wood beads. Very cute. I love the detail in them. And a couple wood. I love the different texture. You get a square bead in here, and that just adds a different dimension to any necklace or a pair of earrings. It's just a different dimension. And then we've got some teardrop ones here. And these are like a hunter green. So they're, again, just the texture in the different colors in this is amazing. And then we've got some, what looks like a flat coin bead, but they're faceted, and the AB luster on them are beautiful. And I believe these are bicones. Some little, same with the luster. And then of course we've got the ceramic beads. And like a tan speckle. Brings in that earthy tone. Loving all that. So the last thing on the list, let me get this scooped up so I don't lose anything. Oh, wait a minute. I missed a couple things. A couple little links. Oh, no, they're little charms. They're little squirrels. Oh, how darling are they? Little squirrels. Let me see if I can move these out of the way so you can see the squirrels, because they are adorable. I'm trying to get it just right. Let me move these way out of the way so they'll focus. But look at that little squirrel. Isn't he just adorable? Oh my gosh, that is just so cute. Oh my word, I just love it. So that's the August 2021 Magical Mystery Bead Box. Well, we have one more item. One more item. I almost missed it, because it's in there all by its lonesome. And it is a stone pendant, and I love this pendant. It is top drilled, so you can put a, look at the colors. I mean, doesn't that just look like a little bit something you would pick right up out of the river? Oh my gosh, look at the colors in it. And it's kind of a cloudy but translucent at the same time. So beautiful. I mean, I would see that walking through the forest, walking along a river, and just pick that right up out of the river. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. So, so beautiful. Loving the colors in it. Loving that it's got that earthy tone to it, so that you could put it with almost anything. So yeah, I'm seeing a knotted necklace coming out of this one already with the earthy tones, and yeah, I'm already seeing a knotted necklace, knotted bracelet, some earrings to match. So that is the August 2021 Magical Mystery Bead Box from Jessie James Beads. They never disappoint me. I absolutely love it every single month. It's my favorite time of the month is getting this. I subscribe to several different boxes, but this is my favorite. This one's my favorite. So if y'all like what you see, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and invite your friends to like it. Hopefully my work will cool down a little bit here in the next month, and I can get to making some tutorials and some finished products that I've made with the boxes. So if you like it, give us a comment. Let us know what you liked out of this box. What was your favorites? And I think the squirrels and the ceramic beads were my favorites. So we'll be seeing you soon with hopefully another unboxing or a tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thanks for spending some time with me.